Hello everyone. How are you all? So today you will be learning about two codes, and those codes are the HSN and SAC code. In our country, there is no GST rate assigned to the name of any goods and services. These GST rates like 5, 12, 18, 28 and whatever the rates may be. Do you know on what they are assigned to? So these are assigned on the code of the goods and services. There is an 8-digit code and the rate is defined on that particular code, that the goods with this code will have this rate of GST. Now you might say, why don't we simply keep the goods name? Why to keep a code? Because you will see that in our country, a lot of goods and services are called by different names in different places. Okay? Right, in X place we call it by one name, in Y place we call same product by other name. Confusion in them can be of so many types. Now, for example, let's say the government says that we will take 28% GST on cold drinks. You will understand, what does cold drink mean? All the soft drinks like Pepsi, Coca-Cola and Thumbs Up, all these will have 28% GST. But what someone else can think, what does cold drink mean? Any drink which is cold. If water is cold, how much GST will be charged? 28% GST will be charged. If it's a bottle of cold water, there's a 28% GST on it. If it's a cold lassi, then also it's a same cold drink, so that 28% GST applies. So the government doesn't take the name of the product because what is in the name? Anyone can call any product anything, right? Like for example, let's say if the government would say that any product which is made of dairy. Okay, dairy products. Okay, so guys, ice cream is also a dairy product. Yogurt is also a dairy product, right? Milk is also a dairy product. So this will be very confusing, so to make it specific, what government does? It provides a code and writes description on the code. Alright, so if your product matches that description, then that GST rate is applicable to you. Like I tell you, the government 28% GST. They don't write 28% GST on cold drinks. What they write there in the description, I'll tell you. 28% GST applies, listen to what the government writes instead of cold drink. It is written aerated water there. What is its explanation? Its explanation is that flavored water with gas, packaged in bottle. Flavored water, water with flavor. It will have gas in it. Cold drink has gas. Packaged in a bottle. This is aerated water. This has 28% GST. Now see, the rest of the things have gone on their own. Like now you can't say that it's a bottle of cold water, then that also will charge 28% GST. Why? Because it is said that it will have flavored water. It will also contain gas. Okay, and what else will be there? It will be packaged in a bottle. So the description is a bit lengthy, but I have explained it in short. Okay, so it is perfectly defining the cold drink. The definition is such that only cold drink will go in that category. For 28% GST, it will be liable. This is how it is working, okay? This system of code that we are talking about here, so this system for goods, we call this system HSN, Harmonized System of Nomenclature. HSN code, and this HSN code, it is not created in our country. This HSN code, it is an international code. The description of the product and this code, this is an international coding system. This is applicable worldwide. Okay, so we have copied the same code which is in the international system. What we have done is that we have added our own rate to that code. It means the code and description. We have picked this from the international. We picked international code and product description and added our own rate, that how much GST is on this in our country. Added our own rate. So this is what we have done, right? Come, let's see. Classification system under GST, classification of goods. Classification of goods under the GST regime shall be made according to the harmonized system of nomenclature. How will we classify goods? That what GST will be in which good? We'll do based on HSN. And what is this HSN? This is an 8-digit international code. We didn't create it. This is an 8-digit international code. Like the code is something like this. 8354 7691. Okay, so whose code is this? Though I made this code in general, but it could possibly be someone's code. So in this, every 2 digits hold some meaning. Right, such as. So this first 2 digits represent the broad category. What is the broad category of this product? That's the code for the broad category, then this code is for category. Okay. This, and then after that, this includes the product. What is the product? Okay. This is for the specification. This is the specification of the product. This makes the whole product clear. Explaining. For example, this 8-digit code we are writing 00. Otherwise, you will later say, sir, you told the meaning of this number as this. It is an 8-digit code. Right. So, the first 2 digits will mean that, like the category garment, garment is one category. Okay. It's a cotton garment. So, the second 2 digits would mean cotton. Now, what does the third 2 digits mean in cotton garment, whether it's shirt or pant? What is that? So let's assume it's shirt. Now this shirt is for whom? It could be a male's shirt, it could be a female's shirt. So here last 2 digits. Could mean male or female. Last 2 digits. Now you understand that how is this coding done? Such as, let's say it is a cotton garment. It's cotton garment, not a shirt, but something else. In cotton garment, it's a pant, okay? It's a trouser. Okay? Cotton. It's a trouser. Okay, so just tell me, between this code and this code, how many code will be the common code? Cotton garment is there only. So first 2 digits, okay. First 4 digits will be common in this. Okay, in place of shirt, these 2 digits will change. This was for the shirt, so something else will come. And then if there is male or female, that will change. However, the code for male and female will be same, so this digit will change. So let's set aside what happens next for now. But one thing is clear, that this will be common. Category, the broad category is same here. Now instead of shirt, it's trouser. Any changes will happen after that. First 4 digits get common. So in this way, the HSN code is created. Okay. A code shall be allotted to each commodity, and such code shall be mentioned on the invoice issued by the taxable person. Now what does GST say? It says that whenever we write the product name, when we get a bill from any shop while buying goods, what it writes on the bill? It just writes the goods name. Now please listen carefully. Let's say you buy a bottle of Pepsi from some mart. From some mart, right? So it will just write Pepsi, isn't it? Pepsi. 500 ml. It will write like this. Is there a GST rate on a 500 ml Pepsi? Answer is no. Read entire HSN code, you won't find Pepsi 500 ml anywhere. There it writes aerated water. Then aerated water's description is given. We should match our product to description and accordingly pick the code. And GST is applied on code. Right. Now what we are told is that when you do billing, you'll need to enter code ahead of this while billing. Write whatever you want for product. Possibly one shopkeeper writes Pepsi 500 ml and another shopkeeper writes it cold drink 500 ml. Okay. And the third shopkeeper writes black soft drink 500 ml. So your wish, whatever you wish you can write while making bill. It doesn't matter. The main important thing is you should write code after the product. What code to be written on the bill? You should write all 8 digits or write less. All these things are given here. You will learn this. If your annual turnover is up to 5 crore rupees, less than is equal to 5 crore. So for those up to 5 crore, if you write 4 digits of the HSN code, it will work. Which 4 digits? Write this first 4 digits, write category and broad category, don't go into much detail. Okay, so write the first 4 digits, write first 4 digits and just put the rate after that. Actually, what happens is that based on these 4 digits, the rate gets decided. Even if the next 2 digits are anything, what I'm trying to say is that the GST rate for cotton garments will be same, be it a shirt or a pant. No matter what it is, rate is finalized on the first 4 digits. Rate is closed on these 4 digits. No matter further what the product is. Right. So I want to say that after the first 4 digits, whatever code's there, the rate is common. Now this is based on the rate that is fixed already. So if your turnover is up to 5 crore rupees, so you will enter the 4-digit code for B2B supply. B2B supply means the goods you are selling it to business. So that means that they are also GST registered. B2B supply means you are GST registered, you are creating GST invoice. The receiver is also GST registered, recipient is also GST registered. So this is called B2B supply. Will you remember this? B2B supply, normally what we call B2B supply. When we are selling goods to business, this is B2B supply. But in GST, it doesn't matter at all if you haven't put the GST number of the other person on the bill, then it is equivalent to B2C supply. We don't even classify it as B2B. When we file for income tax return, GST return, it doesn't come under B2B category, it goes under B2C where GST number is not given. So whatever bill I issue, if the recipient has a GST number, then that is B2B. If there is no GST registered number on our bill of recipient, then it is B2C supply. Right, understand this for GST. Otherwise, in simpler terms, what we call B2B is when we sell goods to a trader, it is called B2B. Okay, business to business. If we sell goods to a customer, it is called B2C, business to customer. B2B means business to business, we sold goods to trader. But if the other party doesn't have GST number, then they are not considered a trader in GST. Means he is saying that it is equal to B2C, call it B2C in GST language. Okay, so B2B is a trade only when you have included the GST number of the other party in the bill. Right. So if I'm putting the GST number of the other party, then in the bill, you must write 4 digits of the HSN code. Okay, minimum is 4 digits. So if I write 8 digits, then it's very good. Government says write minimum 4 digits. Okay. If it is a B2C supply, then in that case, you can write only 4 digits, but please remember, it is optional. It is being said to write up to 4 digits, but then also it is said to be optional. Means if my turnover is up to 5 crore rupees and I do B2C supply, then even if I don't put HSN code, it will work. Government says don't put. Okay. If turnover is above 5 crore. So for B2B supply and B2C supply, both of them require 6 digits to be entered. If my turnover is above 5 crore, I need to enter at least 6 digits of the HSN code. 6 digits? Which 6 digits? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 6 digits. Product specification. C. People also find it difficult to identify HSN code. They don't understand and get confused about which number starting or ending will go in code. So the last digits are the difficult ones. Broader categories, we can still understand it's clothing, it's cotton, right? We also can handle 4 digits, but after that, there are some places where there are a lot of minute detailing. People are confused about where it fall. That's why government itself says there is no need to worry. If the turnover is up to 5 crore rupees, then write 4 digits in B2B, just write 4 digits, you understand this much. And if you supply in B2C, you don't need to write that. Okay, if you want to write, then write up to 4 digits. In B2B and B2C supply, if your turnover is more than 5 crore rupees, then writing 6 digits is mandatory. Let me tell you a practical thing. Everyone is writing 8 digits on their bill, small trader, big trader. Why? Because there is no tension at all. Small traders don't need to search. This is the problem people don't get. Where is the good manufactured? At the manufacturer's place. Manufacturer is big company where they have 75 chartered accountants. They are saying that this is your 8 digit. So the manufacturer gives a bill with 8 digits to whom? To distributor. What distributor does? Nothing much. Just grabs the 8 digit and puts it on his bill. That bill goes from the distributor to the wholesaler. Wholesaler also has 8 digits. When wholesaler sells goods to retailer, he write the same 8 digit. When retailer sells to consumer, he write the same 8 digit. Where is the issue? Who has to work hard? No one has to work hard anywhere in the entire cycle. Government was giving relaxation thinking that it would be difficult for you to identify, but practically there's no problem in the market. Wherever goods are picked up from, bill is received by everyone at every level. So from where the goods are starting, it is starting from 8 digits. That's a large company. They know exactly what their product is. They make the bill using 8 digits. Then whoever receives the bill, they say, okay, my purchase has this HSN code. They put the same HSN code on their sales bill. And in this way, the bill that the consumer receives is an 8-digit HSN code bill. You can see for yourself if you don't trust. If you have any bill for any item, it will have 8-digit HSN code. You are a consumer, right? In import-export, it is mentioned that complete 8 digits HSN code are compulsory. Will you remember? These are all important points. These can all be asked in the form of MCQ, right? Now coming to classification of service. Now I will tell you something important. Listen carefully. In our GST law, it is written that goods and services will have an HSN code. What code? Goods / services will have HSN code. And this HSN code will be of how many digits? It will be 8 digits code. Okay. So for goods, we have adopted the international code and rate was attached to it. Our HSN code is ready. But for the services, till today, we have old service tax, previously service tax used to be applied to the services. When service tax was levied, rates applied to service tax were based on the SAC code. SAC code. What does SAC code mean? Service Accounting Code. Okay. Government brought in GST and said they would create an HSN code. But till today, an HSN code for services has not been created. Even today, SAC code, which was list of codes used in service tax, continues to be used today. The government just picked the same list and pasted the GST rate on it. Will you remember? We picked HSN code from International Coding System. Okay, for services, what did we do? Under the old regime, the service tax law that was in effect, in that also, there were code and there were rates on it. So the service accounting code that was there, they just took it. This service accounting code is of 6 digit. It's 6 digit code. Every service code is 6 digit. Right. But now, in our law, HSN code is written. But what's actually running in market? SAC code. So you will see that whenever someone creates a GST bill, they write the SAC code. But its heading is what? The HSN code. We write the HSN code. But what do we fill inside? SAC code. Rest you can also understand something like, this word is being used interchangeably. Some call it HSN as their wish, while others call it SAC. Why is this happening? The reason I mentioned is that the law states that HSN code for goods and services is 8 digits. But practically in the market, the old code, SAC code, service accounting code, that one is being used. Even today on the GST portal, the list uploaded in the services, its heading is the SAC code itself, service accounting code, the same list is uploaded. People also call it SAC code. Neither the government is explaining properly what to call nor public is understanding it. So both these names are circulating in the market, right? So since SAC code is of 6 digit, so many people, if they give heading HSN code and before the name of the service give HSN code, then what some people do, they add 2 more digits by default. Suppose their service code under service accounting code is 419526. So what they do is, for writing the HSN code, they write 004195226. So this is what is happening in the market. Let's read. Services under the GST regime shall be classified as per service accounting code, SAC code. It is a 8-digit code, of which first 2 digits is 0. And this first 2 digits is 0, such a thing is not made yet. If you go to the GST portal, you will see a 6-digit code. 2 digits have not been included, but since the law states that the HSN code will be of 8 digits, practically in market both things are happening. Few people are writing SAC code giving heading HSN code and they are adding 2 zeros also. But try to understand, few are writing the HSN code and not even writing 2 zeros. Few people are writing HSN and not even adding 2 digits, reason being that at most 6 digits are mandatory anyway. Okay. So for turnover above 5 crore rupees, 6 digits are mandatory. Without adding 2 zeros, they are just writing the actual 6 digits. Okay. And people with a lower turnover, only 4 digits are required, so they are doing it accordingly. Right. So I hope you understand that. If I add 2 digits to zeros, it becomes the HSN code. Its format is becoming 8 digits, but actually the SAC code is only of 6 digits. Right? So this was all about classification system under GST for goods and services. Today's class was a short one, but we will stop here as we have completed one concept. We'll meet in the next class to study further.